Hi everyone, thank you for being a part of our program. My name is Nnamani Ezinne Martina and I am a consultant associate software engineer at Collabora Productivity. Today, I'll be talking to you about the importance of a reliable test environment. So what is the meaning of this? A test environment can be said to be a set of hardware, software, or configuration that can be used to test an application. The goal of having a reliable test environment is to replicate the production environment as closely as possible. You'd want to be sure that what the environment you're testing with is most likely the environment the customer will be making use of when they are using your application. So what are the benefits of having a reliable test environment? The first would be improving the software quality. Because you are already testing with a replica of the customer's environment, you'd be able to know the performance of your application and how best to improve it. Then again, we have customer satisfaction. Having a reliable test environment will help you to know when you have met the customer's expectation or even exceeded it. Then the last would be reduced cost. It is easier to find and fix defects and bugs when you test with a reliable test environment. Okay, so when you are trying to create a reliable test environment, you should ensure that you follow the best practices. If, for instance, you want to make use of virtualization technology like the Docker or virtual machine, you'd want to follow the best practices. That way, you'd have a good replica of the test environment of your target user. Then the second one would be you have to ensure that you are monitoring and optimizing the environment continuously. You want to update the tools, update and upgrade your software that you are using to test. You'd also recall that when issue is reported or encountered, we usually ask for the device type, the configuration, version, and even sample files. This is to enable us to effectively reproduce the issue so as to enable us to investigate and fix the bug reported. Okay, so this is the conclusion. Having a reliable test environment is essential for ensuring the success of your software project. Following the best practices and continuously monitoring your environment will help to improve the quality of your software, also reduce costs and increase customer satisfaction. Thank you so much again for being a part of our program. Thank you for listening. My name is Nnamani Ezinne Martina.